Okay, this video is supposed to help you answer question number 9, because instead of just plugging in the formula, which is molarity, which is equal to mole divided by liter of solutions, this is not it. The question is asking you for what mass of lithium phosphate would you would you weigh to make 2.5 liter of 1.06 molarity of lithium phosphate solutions. So with this one, you're gonna have to understand what equation is telling you. So basically, molarity is equal to mole of solute divided by liter of solutions. But from the previous lessons from last year, in order for us to calculate the number of grams, which is mass in grams, you're gonna have to first convert from mole to grams. But with this equation, you are given the molarity and you're given the liter. So the only way you can do it to obtain the mass is to figure out first, convert it into the mole. So basically, you will have to rearrange the equation in such a way that moles of solute is equal to molarity times liter. And then you will convert moles of solute to grams. And that's the thing that we've been doing, moles to grams. So let's get started with mole. I'm just gonna give you another example which is very similar to that. So basically, we're trying to figure out how many grams of sodium hydroxide needed to make what? 2.5 liters of 0.5 molarity. So first we're gonna have to rearrange the equation. So mole is equal to number of molarity, which is 0.5 molarity times the volume, which is 2.5 liters. So once I multiply those two, then I will get the number of moles, which is 1.25 mole. And then to get grams, it's gonna have to be 1.25 moles of NaOH. So for moles to grams, you're gonna have to multiply by molar mass. This is the first thing we do, which is stoichiometry. So to calculate molar mass of sodium hydroxide, we're gonna have to first look at the periodic table. Okay, Na, O, and H. So we just have to add those three up. That's mass of sodium plus 15.99, that's mass of oxygen, plus 1.008, and that's the mass of hydrogen. So basically, this is NaOH. Different elements, you combine the masses, which is roughly about 40 grams per mole. Once you get that number, then you put it right here. Grams of sodium hydroxide. So whatever the answer you have, that's the number of grams. So that would be 1.25 times 40. That should give me 50. And the 50 gram of NaOH needed to mix with 2.5 liter in order for our solution to be at 0.5. So basically, this is what happened. We put how many grams? So we put 50 grams of NaOH, right? And that is a solute. And we dissolve in the water, which is solutions. And the water itself should be about 2.5 liter.